Welcome to this short mindfulness practice to help you feel a sense of calm, relaxation, and confidence. Firstly, sit with your back straight with a confident and relaxed posture. Close your eyes and inhale and exhale deeply. As you breathe in, focus your awareness on your current thoughts and feelings. Observe them for a moment, and then as you breathe out, let them go, slowly bringing your attention back to your breathing. Now breathe in normally, breathing in awareness of any other thoughts and images, and breathing out softness, gently bringing your awareness back to the path of your breathing as you breathe in and breathe out. Bring your attention to any sensations or tension in your body, and breathe awareness into those areas and focus on softening and relaxing them as you breathe out. Relax your forehead, cheekbones and jaw, and then explore any tension or sensations in other parts of your body, like your chest, stomach, spine, legs, and feet. As you encounter any tension, just breathe into those areas with awareness, and breathe out softness so that your whole body is relaxed. You now feel a sense of calm and relaxation, with the confidence to continue your day, knowing that you can return to your breathing as an anchor at any time during the day. Now when you're ready, slowly bring your awareness back into the room and your current environment, becoming aware of your body's contact with your chair, and then slowly open your eyes back in the present moment with a sense of calm, relaxation, and confidence.